Hello everyone, so let's do our next exercise to read the analog input voltage. So in this case I have used a potentiometer which operates on 5 volt, and there are three terminals of potentiometer. One is connected to the ground, other is connected to the 5 volt, and central pin is the output of my potentiometer that I have connected to the analog channel pin number 2. Okay, so here I want to suggest you something that in analog channel or in digital input output channel, pin number 0 and 1 are the reserve pins. Okay, if you connect any component with these pins 0 or 1 pins, then your Arduino will not communicate with your LabVIEW. Okay, so here is my front panel. Now go back to your block diagram. Here's my block diagram. Now create a while loop and stop condition. Go to Arduino library. There's Arduino initialization and Arduino close. Okay. Now first of all, create its COM port. Okay. COM port. All right. Now you need to declare your pin, and your pin is an input component. So first of all, connect your Arduino resource and error out. Okay. So you have connected your potentiometer with pin number 2, and it is input. Okay, alright. Now you need to read the signal. So as you know, your signal is analog, so that's why you'll use analog read pen function. Okay, so you'll read pin number 2. Okay, alright. Here you'll get your voltage which ranges to 0 to 5. Okay, so here is the voltage that you get by rotating this potentiometer. Okay, so let me change its color to blue so that you could see easily. Okay, now let me increase its size to 24. Okay, here's my potentiometer, sorry, COM port, and my stop condition. Oops, sorry. Let me increase its size also, and also my COM port. Alright, now go back to your block diagram. Okay, alright, here you will get 0 to 5 volt. Okay, now suppose if you want to convert this 0 to 5 volt into bits. Alright, and your analog input channel is of 10 bits, so it will allow you 2 raised to power 10 bits, which gives you 1023 bits. Okay, so therefore you need to multiply your voltage with a specific constant. Okay, if you do calculation, then you will get the constant 204.5. 204.5, are you sure? I'm not sure. Let's do maths. 1023 divided by 5. Oh, 6. Sorry. Okay, 6. So here you get the bits. Okay, that's it. Here are my bits. So let me increase its size also. Okay, now connect your Arduino resource with your Arduino close function and error out with error end. So here is my programming part. Now let's go back to your front panel. Here's my front panel. Now find your COM port first. Connect your Arduino board. COM 3. Alright. So hit run. Okay. Well, there may be noise in this potentiometer. Okay. So here you can see the variation in your voltage. Yeah, there's some problem in my potentiometer. So let's change the brightness of LED which is connected to pin number 3 by this potentiometer. Alright,